For over 15 years experiences of research and practice, Tester can better understand your requirements. X7 series support 8 megapixels, IP, TVI, CVI, AHD, EXSDI, HDSDI, and N-Log camera test, auto login, and display video. Combined with DC 48 volts PoE and DC 12 volts 3 ampere. DC 24 volts 2 ampere power out, no need for separating power injectors. X7 series also have built-in RJ45 cable test, advanced TDR 2.0 cable fault locator, and cable tracer. Auto HD app can automatically recognize type and resolution of TVI, CVI, AHD, camera, and display image. 4K 30 fps HDMI input, and 4K 30 fps HDMI output, test and debug XVR, NVR. RJ45 TDR cable test, can test network cabling faults such as shorts and opens. The length of the cabling is also provided. Advanced TDR 2.0 cable fault locator, to pinpoint various cable shorts and length, such as BNC cable, Cat5, Cat6 cable, etc., and impedance matching test. Cable tracer, can search network cable, BNC cable and shielded cable, decisively rejects noise and false signals. Locate cables quickly and easily. Cable tracer and UTP cable test app in the same interface, can improve work efficiency.